Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Crypto Princess. I am Crypto Princess. My today topics I am my new project. My new project name FLK. FLK inverse bundles, holder airdrops, launch poll. Holder airdrops, launch pool, trading competitions, alpha, simple items, bounded drop. We and get well less FLK for spot trading on October 14, 2025 at 12.12 to timing distance UTC and partners with Flax CL FLK to launch the Flax bonders to rewards platforms. User Flax will go last course golden airdrops launch pool trading competition alpha simple iron and bond drop. Please refer to the official announcement for the specified start time and rules for each event. Holder airdrops. Holder has a Holder has launched a hash 309 round of holder airdrops. User holdings 1 TT can join for free to claims and share 13 to the flag tokens and join now launch pool. Get well launch FLK. The launch pool user can stack to share 2,14,000 FLK with reward distributes only. Join now a trading competition. Get well. Let's run the forward skip trading competitions. Get well holds flag trading competition. Join and share the 19,000 FLK rewards prize pool alpha. Flags well launched are limits are time points airdrops. Event or gate alpha. Eligible users. Eligible user can participate through claims the airdrops with a maximum of 25 FLK tokens per cent. Simple Iron Gate well launched the flag. Simple Iron user can participate to share 16,000 FLK in rewards while first come first served. Simple Irons Gate well launched the flag. Simple Iron user can participate to share a 16,000 FLK in reward first come first served. Join now bounded drops. Get web bounded drop is a one top hug reaggregations that latest popular drops. Project and providence users with quickly access to airdrop interaction tasks. The newly launched airdrops project flags offer 13,000 FLK to be shared. Join now. About FLK, the platform is an AI social platform enabling the user to generate and enhance content with all and share its one social media. It is among the first social platform that incorporates both AL and blockchain to create unique and new social expenses on the platform. The user can create accounts representing any choices identities over the in each society with its own crypto assessed greater tokens will be automatically created for each new accounts creates on the platforms and have a centralized supply and distributions. A few key investors includes Block China, Distribute Global Northland Ventures, HackTC Block China, Ventures Protocols Labs, Galileo, Tenio, Plus, AAVE, Join Betters, etc. Not in the event opening interferences between translate and original accountants, the English version shall prevail. Gates to crypto creates over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards in whites, brands, and iron of 14% commission. Take contact, visit Gate official websites, download and get sub desktop. Follow us on next Twitter. Get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics and engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of free services. First is join now. An introduction, the orders airdrops. Orders Apple Kids order airdrops. Platform is an all social platform enabling users to generate enhance in contacts with else and share it on social media. It is among them first platforms in groups both AL and blockchain to create unique new social expenses on the platform. Users can create according to pricings and each one's identifications, each society with its own crypto assessed graders tokens will be automatically retrieved. Standard a few key investors includes blockchain and distribute global not ventures, uh, HACK, Block China Ventures, Block Tokens Labs, the Hello, Tengunch, AVE, Join benefits it. Harrison Inensis core team members includes Harrison Inensis is the CEO and founder of FLK, bringing over 8 years of dedicated expenses in the cryptocurrency industry. He had original founds Token Foundry in 2017, the token arm of Consensus, and demonstrating his early leadership in China environments. Tries to flex to players sporadically roles as an early team members at Twist, the Poitnings Quit crowdfunding platform which was later acquired by Circle in 2009. His extensive background in both cryptocurrencies and crowdfunding positions him as a visionary leader. Uh, Crowdfunding position him as Venice leaders, driving flag growth and success. He separates in the specify with respect to protect designers' brandings and developing user-friendly expenses. Chas Vishnons is the census protect leader and performs Microsoft and now servicing as head of protect at Flix with deep expertise in protect strategies to meme uh, teams leaderships and emerging technologicals. He brings our shape executions focus minded to ships. Buyer in victims, consumers app in the crypto assessed project highlights. Our statute is two parts. One sides we are bleeding, so what sleddings are to count in fractures, farm cost, performance, and qualities. Perspectives include the world's first public open source functions model inferences in non-optimist from the ground up for maximum performance. And on the other sides with decentralized open source block China. Such attitudes and we are blending what class. Voivodes are classified to the grounds up for maximum performance and on other sides we are blending words classes consumer social app that let leverage teach in new focus on socials gaming survey in the factors we made also sell disinfractures b2f for now we are first on consumers we plan to grow our first app into the next big social platform like Instagram and token economics. Flags token is utility tokens with servers different functions stacking user grades again tokens holders can stack FLK widens and hard stacking while also unlock platforms factor in the factor such as spreading keyword characters higher up on the expenses page among other benefits in incentivization the user will learn FLK based on different activities such as interacting and enhances of the platforms. You can see everyone understands and follow up my live streams, everyone. User well irons flags based on different activities such as interacting and Winnie Connect etc. Number three, great technicians, tapping and trainings. FLK will be paired with all grades tokens on the platforms and all grades tokens will be bought with FLK can also be used to copy grades or on post your like technical overview. Flick is building the fractures and social apps for the fractures of accounts generations and media images, videos. Our first major apply is launching in the October exactly and inversion on Instagrams anybody and easily to use enhances contact and get the performance to sharing everything. Next up, risk recombinants. The trading market for this currency may expand its significant collections due to technical, logical, regulatory, and other factors. Contact signifies and make research before participating yet cannot generate that the current will be list on the exchange. The fund elastic status value of nets on warehouse factor and the officials listing announcement shall prevails by participating in the project you accept 1 year drop stream and conditions. And next, launch pool. Join now. Launch pool cookies tagging iron potentials new tokens. Come latest year drop 53.87 millions. Estimate total rewards 1.33 USDT. Estimating the total reward 51.33k and pound is at 41.69 billion 6m plus participants. All goings to uncopying uncomings under 313 suggested for Bitcoin's pool and Ethereum's pool. FLK total rewards 2,14,000 FLK. Tracking period 10 days and ends in 6 days 23 hours 43 minutes 13 seconds. And what lights boards? The next is holders airdrops. Holder GT and get massive airdrops for free. Zero airdrops received 312.51 millions. Cumulative airdrops and total airdrops 9.99k and 12 millions participations quickly. All goings, uncuppings, and its and total airdrops per GT 9.03 ADEX participations. How to participate in the holders airdrops? As long as your GT holdings in gate accounts in low less than one you can participate and receive airdrop without looking or stacking GT. Which accounts holdings will be included in the calculating? Total GT holdings in unpairs account, spot account, loyalty margins account, copy tradings account, post accounts, Fancical account and payments account leadings and get to and get in crypto loan and launchpad. How is UI airdrops among unit? Once you join the project, the system will track UGT holdings, tracking multiply random statutes. Every hour to calculate your average holdings, your final reward is based on your average holding during the entry periods project. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you can will not receive any rewards. Thank you. Welcome. All streams appreciates. Final token received. Your average holding but speeds average for holdings. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimates value in casting the number of airdrops tokens you could receive by participating in the older airdrop project with 1 GT and holding in until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change basis on the total airdrops, my units, and the GT holdings of all participation and its update early. Thus, why are my holding accounts differently across projects? The system use random snapshots to calculate your average knowledge holdings depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holding may be pure if your holdings my units remains constant. Your average all your holdings should be a small growth or project you participate in. Participates in project within the airdrop bonus table land or GT in simple and fixed stream during the event and will receive airdrops when bonuses after the events end. Note that if you wills GT holdings have already reached stacking have no airdrop bonus will be rewards. So, what different projects have different varieties in which participations in event. You can check the details page over the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. How well the airdrop reward distributes? The year will be calculated and distributes within 1 hour after projects and you can check it any times in a launch pool holder airdrops participate history. How are my airdrop rewards from project with bonus calculated? Final token received. Launchpad. Launchpad priorly to the next big box tokens project. To the big neck tokens project 2 billion summer units and participates 97.71k participations on project for subscriptions now. This is no project in launch pad now try launch pool. Look lock Bitcoin and Ethereum to get raise airdrops highest APR 15.02% participate. Launch pool Retos Launchpad. Retos, which standard for the People Network, is a movement driven by the idea using phone. To be opportunity to toward not just an expensive, it is the Web3 simulation of Rise Wireless backed by Wireless LLC USA functions as a decentralized physical indexed networks. Bitcoins as total stacking rewards a lemon lock Many repeated 16 days, total stacked 719.733 for 6622 bitcoins. Part space 526. PUMP, PEVS, and join launchpad. Gate Launchpad is a global Redis project launch platforms. Join now to give your project more exports and cloud opportunities. Apply now. Launchpad gives what is a Gate Launchpad? Gate Launchpad is Gates and non-native tokens launch platform that lets you get early access to high-potential crypto project through a perceptions models, giving you a head start before the market structures catch on. How do I participate in Gate Launchpad? Log into your Gate accounts, head to the page, select as project and click commit now. View more. What tokens can I use to subscribe? Launchpad subscriptions token are typically USDT Jet or other. Please check the project. The final description tokens shall be based on the actual project. Not browsers found are not illegal for participants in launch project. Will my funds to be blocked after subscriptions? Yes, when your subscriptions is successful, the corruptions. Yes, if your subscriptions is successful to corruption spottings will be dedicated from your accounts with 4 hours after the subscription periods and spreads. Will be allowed unlocked to refunds to your spot accounts within 14 hours after the subscription periods end. How are tokens are loyalties locked after the subscriptions and tokens are distributed based on your contributes as participating of the total funds released. Subscription amount unit is dedicated according and tokens are raised to your spot account. How many tokens will I receive? Yet currently use 2 months to calculating token distributes. Method 1 token are locked based on the average. Distributes locked based on opportunity and the tomato during the subscription period relative to the total contributes of the project. Methods the tokens are loyalties based on the perfections of your average orderly locked atoma units during subscriptions and period related to the project overalls. Regardless of the method used, URL calls cannot accept the specified maximum. Meaning you use GATE and USDT to participate. Why was there no launchpad bonus when I chose to subscriptions to simple and during subscriptions? If you reach the maximum distribute reward, there were no additional reward. Help centers effect. Gate launchpads. And more details. What is Launchpad? Gate Launch is a non-native token launch platform that lets you get early access to hypothetical crypto project purely by subscriptions model, giving you had a start before the market cash on. Gate Launchpad is committed to providing security for both user and project teams by implementing stricter risk control mechanisms that affect to reduce potential risk during the token ciphering processes. Additional gate launch help project teams expand into global market, reach millions of users and ensures efficiently market liquidity and multiply currency trading peer spot upon launch opening. So leads backing spot project growth in additional to tokens appearing gate launch that offer project extra spot reviews including gate lesson channels, investment in valuations, brand exports, and global operational resource. A lessons project must pass gates regulars the process to ensure that only those with the regulars next. What is simple irons? Through Gate Simple Iron, you can profit from the 18 cryptocurrencies and large potentials for your investment profiles. Specify you can subscriptions to Flexible Dream. Flexi Dream produced to iron returns with crypto assets. How is the interest of Simple and Flexible Dream calculated and distributes? Your subscriptions to Get Simple Iron Flexible Dream will work as working capital for loan business on the platform. The system will lend your funds to other user and the investors generates will be distributes to you as the least returns of your subscriptions. If your assets are bought at the clocks, you will receive the interest earned or the following or at T plus 1 over if your redeems were assessed before T plus you will not receive an interest for the past or interest to receive every words will be invited to make it to earn a compound interest. You can redeem both principal and interest at rent positions. The current estimates appear is the lowest efforts at which simple iron funds can be successful matched for lending and learning returns in calculated basis on the historical data and markets. Growing demands. The currency data estimates APR is the lower. APR simple iron funds can be successful match for lending and earnings class basis on the historical data and current markets growing demands. How is the interest of simple iron fixed limits and calculated and distributes? After successful subscriptions, interest will be calculated at the APR at the time of subscriptions. The fruits the dream and starts to cross. The next step out the interest and participates will be credited to your spot account or unpaid account after the orders. Each maturates how to redeem the crypto you launch. Simple and flexible dream allow for really MO units, real-time red positions. However, how if we are processing too many reportions requested, there may be they process reserves. Simple iron flexible dreams to allow to flexible portions even before the order reach matrix. However, early red portions will result in the loss of calculates the rest. The principal will be returned to your spot account or unpaid account within or after submitting and a portion request please not the early portion in not spots within the last 24. A guide to simple iron course. This course will help you master the basic of simple iron, includes its structure and profitable models. After learning this course, you will be able to set the parameters of simple iron relationals according to your own needs and market accepting scroll your or up to assessed and maximum capital sufficiently. Apple K USDT current market price 0.2135 USDT. Apple market price change plus 0.0892 USDT minus 29.49%. 24 hours high market price 0.3100 USDT. 24 hours and the Plex 24 hours high market price 0.3100 USDT and 24 hours low market price 0.190 USDT. ads and shares on the social media. It is making the first social platform that incorporates both its blockchain and creates unique flag 24 hours turnover USD 914.53K and flag USD 914.35K and current market price 0.160 USD market price change plus 0.02 minus 29.55% HMSTR USDT 1.04 million 0.004028 USDT minus 10.60%. Flag tracking number 1586 USDT. Market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency or token that's calculating centered in the market. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the current price by calculating on 6116 millions. Calculating supply, the amount of a cryptocurrency or token that's currently available and being traded in the market. 28.00 million flex last axis till December 2025. All time is high price. The price show reflects the all time high of the overall market, not specified to get 0.9605 US. All time is low price. The price show reflects the all time high low of the overall market, not specified to get 0.1950 USD 17 2025 is maximum supply. 100.00 million full dilated market cap. The potential market value of a project equal its cryptocurrency or tokens. We are calculating 2.01 million total supply. The total unit of a cryptocurrency or token that has been created for miners includes those that are log stacked or reserved 100.00 million flex. Market sentiments. Systematic the major protections of a cryptocurrencies project. Total issue tokens that are currently available beginning trade in the market. 28.00% number of holding address 1.99K. Last check is for core record tips basics for market sentiments. Now our attitudes are invested towards a cryptocurrency, our tokens, natural contract, and open the referral link. Refers iron, which words you get 20, your friends get 5 USDT. Super commission, iron up to 14% commission on every trader. Get to iron explorers and unlock up to 500 USDT reward. Select key to open the gates for up to 500 USDT in whites. Sign up traders. Get price to combinates key. Open and win bag. Invite now. Reference code. Customer statistics. Come and join. Get. You can share up to 500 USDT rewards up sign-ups with my link. Get join link blogs. Selected key price. This is for each friend invites to complete sign-ups and identify verifications. Plus 20 uh, for each friends invites who completes spot trading of at all less 200 USDT. Open keys for each friends invites who complete factor tradings of at least 100 USDT, 1000 USDT and more for each, plus 10 for each friends invites who completes alpha trading of at least 100 USDT full plats. Referrals reward history UIT reference registers. Fact, what reward can be unlocked with the key? USD factor which was trading fee, reference which was VIP plus 1 USD 13 points coins newly listed on gate. And popular mentions the prize pool is updated daily. How to obtain a key? Complete task to iron. Key pieces completing task multiply times allow you to create more pieces. Every 100 pieces will automatically be combined into a key and distribute to your account. What is the validity period of the key? Each key Each key is valid for 14 days from the combinations after this period. It will expire and become invalid. You can need to use the key within 14 days to unlock the gate prize pool and claim your rewards which will be distributed to your accounts immediately. Gates key cannot be retrieved once used. Thank you so much. And help centers, what can I do you for services? And fact, gents activities, other spot, guide, Panchuka's guidelines, combination interactors. What is candy drops? Candy drop is an airdrops imagine launched by Gate. User can iron candies by complaint tasks such as participating to trading deposit, inviting friends, and now more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, increase your chance for meetings in drops. But to iron candies, you can iron candies by completing designated tasks. Task types include trading specified tokens, deposits, and more. Each complete task will grant you a certain sum unit of candies. Thank you so much, Gate. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Joints, Gate drops iron, scrap to rest. 1 minute's wait and how to vary completions. You can iron candies by completing designated tasks when candy drops. Task types include trading specified token, deposit, and more. Each complete task well grants you are at certain